as we integrate this tool?
Yeah, gosh, there's a lot to unpack here, and it's all over the news. There's a wide spectrum of thinking about what AI is going to turn into. There are folks that believe there will come a day where the world is run and operated by AI powered robots and everyone's out of work and we're in this dystopian kind of existence. I'm not saying that can't happen or won't happen. I'm just saying that kind of represents the extreme to which people are anticipating the direction of AI. And then there are others that I think have a more immediate, near term, pragmatic kind of thinking around it, which is it's definitely going to change the way we work. It's going to put people out of work. I think at this point, that's a reality I think we have to confront is that companies who are prioritizing the bottom line are going to increasingly look to AI as a means to achieve efficiency and kind of a new way of operating that's really inexpensive. It's going to happen. And those concerns are legitimate. I think in my mind, what jumps out to me as a potential concern is that we need to be careful not to forget how to think critically. And I have been tempted into this myself with AI almost every day, where I find myself taking to ChatGPT or Copilot or some other AI agent and saying, write this email for me. Super helpful, super fast. But I've also noticed I'm getting rusty with some of that stuff. The ability to collate and source information and develop a thought about it and be able to ascertain, oh no, this is right, that's wrong. I'm going to write it this way, not that way. I got to know my audience. That can start to atrophy after a while if you've just continually relied on AI